In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix black screen and stuck on loading screen in Steam. If Steam opens to a black window, gets stuck on the loading spinner, or the store and library won't render. These fixes target the most common causes and are safe to try. First, clear Steam's built-in browser data. Steam uses an embedded browser for the store, community, and some in-fake client pages. And corrupted cache or cookies can cause blank or black screens. Open Steam, go to Settings, select Interface, and choose Delete Browser Data. This won't remove your games. It simply clears temporary files so those pages can load cleanly the next time you open them. Next, opt in to the Steam Client Beta. Sometimes these issues are tied to a bug that's already been fixed in a beta build. In Settings, under Interface, look for Client Beta Participation and select Steam Beta Update. Steam will prompt you to restart so the update can apply. If the beta resolves the issue, you can stay on it or switch back later. Now, make sure Steam runs with administrator rights. This helps when the client needs permission to write or update files and gets blocked. Close Steam, then right-click the Steam shortcut. Choose Properties and open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. The next time you launch Steam, it will have the access it needs to update components and render properly. If you are still seeing a black screen, rebuild Steam's app cache. Fully close Steam, including the icon in the system tray. Then navigate to your Steam installation folder. For example, C Drive, Program Files, x86, Steam, find the folder named app cache and delete it. Don't worry, Steam will recreate this folder and its contents on the next launch. This clears out stale startup data that can block the client from loading its interface. Finally, update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted. GPU drivers are a frequent cause of black or blank application windows. If you are on an NVIDIA card, open GeForce Experience to download and install the latest Game Ready or Studio driver. For AMD, use AMD software to check for and apply updates. After the driver update, restart your PC and launch Steam again. Work through these fixes in order. In most cases, one of these steps will get the client rendering normally again. If everything looks good, you are all set. Thanks for watching.